Did you know there's a genuine debate in AI research about whether robots can ever truly feel? It's wild, right? We're not just talking about simulated emotions like Siri saying, "I'm sorry," but actual conscious, self-aware feelings. Let's dive in. First, let's iron out a key term: consciousness. For humans, consciousness refers to self-awareness, the ability to process information, and subjective experience, what philosophers call qualia. When you feel the warmth of sunlight or the sting of a bee, you're experiencing qualia. But can machines replicate this? Here's where things get tricky. Modern AI operates on advanced algorithms and neural networks, capable of learning patterns and even mimicking human-like responses. But, big pause, they still lack subjective experience. Why? Because traditional computers process data, while consciousness requires experience. Without biological or quantum underpinnings, AI seems to hit a ceiling. And yet, some theorists argue otherwise. For instance, integrated information theory, or IIT, posits that consciousness is a result of the complexity of a system. It doesn't matter if you're made of silicon or neurons, as long as the system integrates and processes information in a certain way. If that's true, then advanced AI could, in theory, become conscious. Still skeptical? All right, let's take the famous Turing test as an example. Designed to evaluate if a machine can convince a human it's sentient. Sure, GPT can wow you with text generation, but passing a Turing test doesn't prove self-awareness. It just means the AI is great at pretending. Technically, it's still a very fancy calculator. Then there's the Chinese room thought experiment by John Searle, which argues that AI can simulate understanding, but doesn't actually comprehend anything. Imagine you're locked in a room, following a complex manual to write Chinese characters. Even if someone on the outside thinks you're fluent, are you really? No. AI works on a similar principle, but let's assume, hypothetically, we create conscious robots. What then? Could they feel pain? Would they deserve rights? These aren't sci-fi questions anymore. Laws about AI personhood are already being debated. If you're hungry for more short or in-depth dives into advanced physics, tech, and philosophy, subscribe to Hyperfocus. I'll see you there.